Good morning. It's Monday, January the 12th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Hopefully you all had a tremendous weekend, but now it's time to get down to business. I've got 4 great press releases for you, 3 from the Canadian side, 1 from the US side, and 1 halt to report on in the second segment of our program. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Our lead story, top story this morning, comes out of a company called Colossus Minerals. They trade on the TSX under the symbol CSI. They're announcing the remaining results from its Phase 1 diamond drill program of the Serra Pelada project, which is located in Brazil. Highlights from the program include hole number 18, which intersected 60.5 meters of 14.3 grams per ton of gold, 1.8 grams per ton of platinum, and 2.5 grams per ton of palladium. Included within that intercept, we've got 24.5 meters containing 30 grams per ton of gold, 1.7 grams per ton of platinum, and 3.5 grams per ton of palladium. Moving on to hole number 13, we've got a 23-meter intercept containing 21 grams per ton of gold, 3.3 grams per ton of platinum, and 3.9 grams per ton of palladium. So great results coming out of Colossus Minerals this morning. A little bit about the company. They're an exploration and development company focused on mineral resource projects in Brazil. The company is currently focusing its efforts on the high-grade gold, platinum, palladium Serra Pelada project, which is located in Pará State, Brazil. Company is last at $1.27, 52-week high of $4.43 as the low, and the market cap that currently stands at approximately $54 million. Moving on to Gammon Gold, another TSX company. They trade under the symbol GAM. They're reporting their best ever quarter for gold and silver production. So we've got some guidance that the company's given us for 2009, where they anticipate gold production will increase from 185,000 ounces to 205,000 ounces. They're anticipating silver production will rise to 8.945 million ounces, and this is up from 8.17 million ounces. And finally, gold equivalent production, they anticipate to rise from 290,000 ounces to 320,000 ounces. Now, in addition, the company is also reporting total cash costs for Q4 2008 were $439 per ounce of gold equivalent, which represents the company's best ever quarterly cash cost performance. A little bit about the company. Gammon Gold is a Nova Scotia-based mid-tier gold and silver producer with properties in Mexico. The company's flagship Ocampo project in Chihuahua State achieved commercial production in January 2007. Company's last at $6.01, 52-week high of $11.20, low of $2.68, and a market cap that stands at approximately $720 million. Moving on to Carpathian Gold, it's another TSX company, trades under the symbol CPN. The company is announcing drill results from their 100% owned project, RDM, which is located in Brazil. Now we've got some highlights coming out of this company as well. Hole number 12 returned 30 meters containing 2 grams per ton of gold, and within that we've got an intercept of 4.3 meters containing 7.7 grams per ton of gold. We've also got hole number 26, which returned 14 meters containing 3.7 grams per ton of gold. We've got hole number 31, which returned 23.5 meters at 1.23 grams per ton of gold. So good numbers coming out of Carpathian Gold this morning. It's a company that's focused on gold exploration on its properties in Romania and Brazil. They're last at 13 cents. 52-week high of 57, low of 5 cents, market cap of approximately $27 million. And finally, moving over to the U.S. side, companies called Kit Digital. They trade on the OTC BB under the symbol KITD. The company is announcing preliminary Q4 and fiscal 2008 results. We've got highlights which include Q4 2008 revenue, which they anticipate to exceed $9 million. Which is up 130% year over year with positive operating cash flow. Fiscal 2008 revenue is anticipated to exceed $23 million, which is up 65% over the same period in 2007. And finally, management expects revenues to exceed $40 million in 2009 and to exceed 10% operating EBITDA margin. A little bit about the company. They're a leading provider of proprietary IP-based video enablement technologies and video-centric interactive marketing solutions. Company's last at 21 cents, high of 49 cents, low of 5 cents, and the market cap of approximately $24 million. Now, it looks like we just got a late halt, so we've got 2 halts to report on. I originally mentioned we had one. First one I have for you, El Nino Ventures. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol ELN. The company is halted pending news. And we've also got Azteca Gold Corp. They trade on the venture under the symbol AZG. They've also been halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Please make sure to tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the AM for you.